What is up, YouTube? I I must be insane. Okay, I really must be insane to be offering you this, but I am going to give you something that I have never ever done before that most people will never do for you. Okay, I'm going to give you reassignable PLR rights to 3 of my courses. Now, what does that mean? That basically means that most PLR, when you buy it, basically you have the right to resell it as if it's your own. You can tell people, hey, I commissioned this course, and here you go. I'm putting my own. You put your own name on it. You put your own title on it, and you sell it as if it's your own. But you're not allowed to tell other people, hey, you can take it now, sell it as if it's your own also. Okay. Basically, when you sell it to somebody, they have the right to use it as a course. They can watch it and use it, whatever, things like that. That is not what I'm doing today. What I'm doing for you today is 2 things. First of all, you get to use my name. Okay, that's a big deal in and of itself, because most PLR, you're not allowed to use the person's name. You have to put down yourself as the name, and you're pretending to be the author. In my case, you're actually going to be able to say, this is from Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. Okay, that's a big deal in and of itself. But beyond that, you're going to get the right to sell the resell rights, which means that you can offer this and say, you can go ahead and now use this for yourself as if it's PLR that you bought. Okay, that is something nobody does, because basically that kills the market. And I'm not going to let you do it in perpetuity, so you can't resell rights and then tell somebody else, okay, now they can, that person that bought the resell rights from you can sell the resell rights to somebody else. That you're not going to be able to do, but you are able to sell resell rights. I'll explain to you why I'm offering that to you. It's all coming up in my review of the instant passive funnel system. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, maybe my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. My jokes can be stale as well. Last week's Auntie Anne's pretzels, I picked one up. Actually, this is fresh. They make pretty good pretzels, but whatever. Anyhow, sorry, Auntie Anne. I don't mean to bag on you. I just wanted a new joke. But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why do I do such a thing in my desk? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, really, it's enough. Seriously, get a new joke. Okay, seriously. A new one, please. Do you know how long that guy has been doing that same joke? It's getting as stale as last year's Auntie Anne's pretzels. Never mind the last week's. Anyway, if anybody from Auntie Anne's is watching this, I promise I'm just doing parody. I apologize. But the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. See, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Who can get angry at the lady? Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now, this is the sales page for the instant passive funnel system. Now, let me explain to you what this is and explain to you why you're going to love me when with this bonus. Okay, you are going to adore me because I'm going to make you so much money with this bonus. Okay, so check this out. This is from my friend Anthony Rusick. Now, Anthony is a solo ads vendor. What he does is he basically sells solo ads to people, and that's how he makes a large part of his living online. He sells solo ads. Now, basically, solo ads basically means that you rent somebody else's email list, and you're going to go ahead and send out emails to those people and say, hey, I have this great product I want you to find out about. Would you like to go ahead and get it for free? And then they get on your email list, and supposedly, hopefully you can sell people the stuff. So he's going to teach you how he runs his business, how he's able to make a ton of money. Okay, now basically the way he's going to work is that he's going to show you how the whole business works, and you're going to go ahead and start selling to other people. You're going to sell solo air traffic to other people. But I'm going to give you a leg up that nobody else is going to have. Even Anthony won't have this leg up, okay? Because Anthony's basically going to tell his customers, okay, yeah, send me whatever offer you want me to offer. I will set it up for you, okay? You're going to be able to tell your customers, I have an offer that you can offer. Okay, you don't need to worry about coming up with a product. You can tell your customers, my bonus to you, I have a course prepared by Eric Hammer, one of the top people on Warrior Plus. Okay, you can use his name, you can bank off of his name, and I'm going to let you use it as if it's your own. You're going to be able to use it as the thing that people are going to get as a lead magnet. You're going to get 3 of them, so you can choose between the 3 of them. Okay, you're going to get 3 different courses. This is not just that you get to use my name. It's not just PLR. Okay, yes, it's PLR. So first of all, you can rebrand it and give it a different name if you want, whatever you want. Okay, you can also go ahead and use my name and say it's prepared by Eric Hammer, the man in the hat, which is a pretty big deal. I am one of the top people on Warrior Plus. I'm pretty well known. Obviously not as well known as some people, but I'm pretty well known in the industry. People know me. People know that I put out quality stuff. And so putting my name on it is going to be a big deal. That alone is really worthwhile. And I offered this one a couple of times before. I offered this with a deal about a month or 2 ago, just around Christmas time. Okay, but this time, instead of just giving you PLR rights and the right to use my name, you get reassignable PLR rights. Basically, what that means is that you can tell somebody else, I'm going to give you this course, and you also get the right to go ahead and sell it as if it's your own. Ordinarily, all you're allowed to do is take the course and offer it to them, and then say, okay, here you go. This is a course you can learn from. You can't sell it. You don't have PLR rights of your own. All you have now is the right to read it, watch it, whatever, do whatever you want with it. In my case, I'm actually literally going to give you not just the right to use PLR, not just the right to use my name. You're going to have the right to sell it and sell it with resell rights. The only thing that you can't do is tell the other guy, yeah, okay, now you have resell rights too. Okay, basically, basically, if you sell it to somebody else, okay, you sell it to John. John can now sell it to Nancy, but Nancy can't now sell it to Susan. You understand? So basically, you can sell John the right to sell it to somebody else, and John can make as much money as he wants on it. But if John sells it to Nancy, and Nancy now wants to sell it, Nancy has to come back and buy it from me. They can't go. It's not going to go in perpetuity, because otherwise, basically, I'm not going to get anything out of it, because then it's completely out there. But you are going to get resell rights. That means that you can sell somebody else the right to resell the product. That is something nobody else will ever do for you. Okay, I know for a fact, because every PLR vendor that I've spoken to doesn't do this. And as a matter of fact, I tried once to purchase that exact right from one of my mentors, from Stephen Alvey. He refused to sell it to me. He said, I'm too big of a name. This was way back when. Today, I'm a much bigger deal than I was then. And even then, he said, no, I'm not selling it to you. I'm sorry, no, absolutely not. Okay, because he understands what it means to do that. That basically means that I'm letting you become a vendor of my PLR products. But I'm going to give that to you as a bonus when you pick up the Instant Pass Assistant from me. Let me show you the members area real quick, because it's a really, really good course also. Basically, what you're going to get when you pick up this course, you're going to get the ability to actually go ahead and use other people's money to make money yourself. Basically, you're going to go and pre-sell to somebody else. Say, okay, I'm going to sell you 100 clicks for 70 cents a click, let's say. Okay, so they're going to pay you $70, and then basically you're going to take that $70 and reinvest it by purchasing the clicks at 30 cents per click. and you pocket the $40 difference. So you understand that it's OPM, other people's money. You literally make money off of other people's money, and you're going to literally be able to sell, resell rights to my PLR, which is something nobody else ever does. If you pick up any upgrade, you're going to get 6 courses. Just have to email me, email my support staff. They'll get you the link. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you get 9. Pick up any 3 upgrades, you get 12. You see how it goes, okay? So it's up to 12 of my courses that you're going to get full resale rights to. This is unheard of. Nobody ever, 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 ever does something like this. And I know I'm insane to do this. I'm going to throw in a few traffic courses as well. Some really cool stuff. I always do. You know I always do. But this is something that is completely insane that nobody is going to do for you. Let's see if I am going to take my answer to the procurator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, absolutely. You know, you rock. Look, I love this course when I saw it from Anthony, and I know you're going to love it. And that's why I'm giving such an insane bonus to you. I'm giving you something that nobody else will ever be stupid enough to give. But I'm going to do that. I'm going to let you have it because I want you to succeed. And this is going to make you so much money because you can basically go ahead and not just offer the clicks. You can say, I am going to give you everything. I'm going to give you the lead magnet that you need, so you can basically have something to give away. You don't have, the person doesn't have to have a lead magnet to give away. You give it to them, okay? Literally, it's like printing money almost. Okay, I'm being a little bit hyperbolic. Obviously, I have to follow the disclaimer down below that says that there's no guarantees, obviously, but I can't see how you can't make money on this if you put in the effort, if you actually use what you're learning and use my bonus. This is going to be so great for you. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is really, really good.